For months it stood silent, a concrete giant frozen above the town, waiting for its fate, closed, crumbling and surrounded by uncertainty. But today that changes. After years of use and months of frustration, the demolition of the Gateshead Flyover has officially begun, and what you're about to see is history being taken apart piece by piece. Welcome back to 55 Degrees North, where we document the biggest changes shaping the North East. This is the first in a series of regular updates I'll be bringing you as the Gateshead Flyover is dismantled. From the first cuts to the final clearance, we'll be tracking every stage. The A167 Gateshead Flyover has been a key part of the town's infrastructure since the 1960s. But in December 2024, everything changed. Safety concerns forced its sudden closure, leaving this once busy route completely empty. Since then, it's become more than just a road. It's been a symbol of disruption, delays and growing frustration for people across the area. And all this time, it's remained here, dominating the skyline, until now. Today, Monday, April the 20th, contractors have finally begun dismantling the structure. And the first targets are these sections here, the on-off ramps just south of the Sunderland Road bus lane. Starting here allows the crews to carefully reduce the load and complexity before taking the main span. It might not look dramatic yet, but this is where the process truly begins. As we bring the drone closer, you'll notice something scattered across the surface. Concrete blocks. These have been placed very deliberately. These help balance the structure, prevent uneven weight distribution as sections are removed, and just as importantly, they reduce vibration. Because once demolition starts, even small vibrations can travel through a structure like this. And here we can see the first signs of real destruction. An excavator fitted with a hydraulic drill attachment slowly breaking the southbound ramp. This isn't explosive demolition. There's no sudden collapse. Instead, this is a slow, controlled process known as nibbling or munching. Each bite removes just a small section at a time, but underneath, something remarkable is being revealed. Decades-old engineering, steel reinforcement bars tightly woven through the concrete, and even more striking, these long, pre-tensioned steel cables. These cables have been under immense tension since the flyover was built. They're designed to hold everything together. But during the demolition, they also represent one of the biggest risks. If one of these cables were to snap suddenly, the release of all that stored energy could destabilise the structure in an instant. That's why every movement you're seeing here is calculated, monitored and controlled. Even at this early stage, there's already visible progress. The northbound ramp is almost completely gone, while crews continue working their way across the southbound side. It's a steady rhythm. Break, remove, stabilise, repeat, moving from one side to the other, carefully managing the balance of the entire structure. This isn't just about tearing something down, it's about what comes next. For decades this flyover has shaped how traffic moves through Gateshead. Its removal will open new possibilities for the town centre, but for now, all eyes on the demolition itself. Over the coming months, these nibbling machines will continue working their way through the structure, gradually dismantling one section at a time. The expectation is that the entire flyover will be gone by October this year, and the process continues. We'll start to see bigger changes, larger sections removed, clearer views through the town, and eventually the complete disappearance of this structure. Please let me know your thoughts on the demolition of the flyover in the comments below. And if you've liked this video, please give it a massive thumbs up as it really helps the channel grow. And if you've not already done so, please consider subscribing to 55 Degrees North and hit that bell notification when I release more videos. A massive thank you for watching. I will see you next time, right here on 55 Degrees North.